Hello and warm greetings from all of us at Nordicie. As the holiday season approaches, we would like to take a moment to thank you for your trust and partnership throughout the year. Thank you for this amazing year. Your support, creativity, and energy have made all the difference. We're so grateful to have you with us on this journey. Christmas is a time for warmth, calm, and connection, inspired by nature, greenery, and spaces where people feel comfortable and relaxed. Inspired by the green of Christmas, our moss wall panel brings the same natural warmth into commercial spaces, made from artificial moss with no maintenance required. From all of us, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and an incredible New Year. May the season bring you love, rest, and a reason to smile every day.